Mesdames, Messieurs, les conditions climatiques rendent les sols de la gare particulièrement glissants. Soyez prudents lors de vos déplacements. Merci de votre attention.
What we spent today doing?
Jump off.
Trying to figure out how to buy tickets.
I get that feeling a lot.
This reads two great vanquishers. There's Napoleon on the right, and then there's this bicycle ride. It's 1908 Cycles Peugeot, and has all the victories, 14 stages. And Napoleon looking upset.
Yeah, that's a good one. Say car back, bike back. The person who's the last in the line, if they hear a car coming, they yell up, and then you keep yelling it up the line so everyone hears it.
Or the person in the front.
Or the person in the front says car up, right? If there's a car coming.
Or bike up if there's another bike coming the other way, or pedestrians.
So what else? So should Jordan, if he decides that he sees something really shiny and beautiful, should he sprint ahead alone? No.
Higher limit than I do. Okay, little 10-minute pluie. What do you call it? Pluie.
Candy.
Candy, pluie.
We like candy because candy. Candy.
Generally, pluie means candy.
Jane, close your pen here.
Arrive! Candy in the pluie, something like that. Let's go. What video? We've been riding in the rain for about 20 minutes, and it's finally stopping, and it's been really fun.
Oh my god.
Get both you guys on the video.
Hello, my name is Maggie. La, la, la.
Vive la France!
What rain?
What rain?
Listening.
This guy was part of our group. It was going a little slow for us, so we had to leave him behind.
Good thing we had some butter and garlic in one of the here. And a lighter.
You got a great looking foot, though. Look at that foot. I got foot envy.
That guy does have a humongous foot.
Well, guy, gal, or a little of both if you're hermaphrodite.
Oh, that's true.
The old church bells are still ringing. Pretty cool. The river runs right through town. It seems to go right into that house. Okay, we just started our trip. This is the Loire. It is at capacity. It has been raining heavily. Absolutely gorgeous. This is actually an aqueduct. It's actually about 5 meters higher than the river, which is at flood stage, it appears. Anyway, must be providing water downstream to some place. It's very old.
The map has got all the repair places marked. Perfect. I just see these mosquitoes, and I don't want the whole group to get.
I got one like trying to bite my eyelid.
Why don't
Dad, will you
Eric?
please?
How about you and I deal with this?
This concludes our first day of biking, day number 4. Maggie and I fell. We had a little... Man. Maggie, show them your alley.
No.
She's taking it.
Watch out, Dad. Fridge.
Do you guys know about the Tango Mango?
This is the what's left of my, oh my god, my canard, or my beef infused with canard liver pate. So good.
I have some eggplant left if anyone.
Potato dishes. I'm done. Aubergine.
Can we do the Tango
You
on
can count on
video?
Robin for. It always feels like.